Wave. Hi. No, to the horse. It's kind of hard to film when you're riding. Do that again?
My knees hurt. Oh, I'm gonna. No.
Don't be ugly, I'm filming.
Don't be ugly.
When can we get out?
Don't be ugly in general.
Huh? Unless, when can I get out?
When he comes to get you.
Come get me.
Dad, was it fun?
Person. Huh?
Was it fun?
Oh, yeah, man. Eric, was it fun? It's more fun to ride horses at home, though, because they ain't got all them rocks and hills.
That's adventurous, Dad.
Yeah, it makes me...
Hi, Lan.
Mine went into a full-on run for about 3 seconds.
Don't get along.
What?
And I was cool for about 3 seconds. They got along.
Oh, well. What is it?
Eric had to stop.
Cussy.
What? He ruined my run.
Cussy.
Rio the Runner, that's his nickname.
Well, I was asked, what did you do to him when he took off?
Nothing. No, that was an accident. We were just trying to get away from my husband and